Many know John Cage for his music. He's one of the most important composers of the 20th century. John Cage's dual loves were music and mushrooms. He was known to say that anything that you need to know about music, you can learn from a mushroom. Here we have the Mushroom Book by John Cage, Lois Long, and Alexander Smith. 3 collaborators who each contribute a different part to the Mushroom Book, which was printed at Irwin Hollander's workshop in 1972 in New York. Irwin Hollander, just a year later in 1973, came to Cranbrook to run the printmaking department at Cranbrook Academy of Art. Lois was an illustrator who created a beautiful set of illustrations of mushrooms for the Mushroom Book, which you can see are covered in newsprint. We have John Cage's text written out in a legible form, as well as the scientific information about the mushroom, which was contributed by Alexander Smith, who was a University of Michigan mycologist. On the exterior of each of the folios, we have John Cage's text, but in a sort of less legible format. And the intent of John Cage's text work here is that you might search for a line of text inside, and then on the exterior, you would be able to find that line of text through searching. And the idea here is that you're searching in the way that you might search the forest for a mushroom.